Hey beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Winnie. In today's video we are going to be learning how to tack on this disc applique onto a dress. It is a very easy tutorial and it is very easy to do and beginner friendly. So if this is what you would like to learn, stick with me. Without too much talking, let's get to the honey of the video. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. So this is the dress that I already made that I want to tack it on, and I bought my disc, and as you can see there is a little hole on that, and then I already threaded my needle with the matching color of the fabric that I want, and then I am going to be tacking it from the back. So let me move my camera forward so you can see it properly. I just hope you can see it. This disc always glitters a lot, so as you can see I passed my needle from the back into the hole, and then I pulled it. I didn't pull it too much, and then once I'm done doing that, I'm going to pass it outside like this, and then I'm going to lock the thread. So when you are passing it and you are locking your thread like this, make sure that you don't drag it too much. Let it dangle, all right? Don't drag it too much so that it will now stand. So it has to dangle and fall to the floor. It shouldn't stand like that. See the way it's standing now. It shouldn't be like this. It should dangle downwards and should sleep very well, not that it should just stand as if something is wrong with it, because that is the beauty of the applique. Once it dangles, it's the beauty of it. So once I was done passing my thread to the back, you can decide to pass it like twice or 3 times to secure the thread, but I would advise that twice is enough, because you don't want the thread to be showing too much. You know, the thread is going to be showing that you use your thread to tack it, so it shouldn't be too thick so that everything can be clean and nice. So once I was done, I passed it to the next side that I wanted it to be, and then I took my disc. So this is not so expensive. Like 35 pieces here where I live is about 1,500 naira for 35 pieces. So it's not so expensive, and it comes in various colors, and it's always very beautiful when you use it on your dress. So I'm gonna head to tack on the other one, and as you can see I'm trying to pull it down because I don't want it to just stand. I want it to dangle. All right, so once I was done, I just went ahead to pass it one more time into the hole. Okay, I didn't pass it into the hole this time. I just went ahead to pass to the next step that I wanted it to be, and then I took the other color that I wanted, and then basically that is it. Just pass it from the back through the hole on top of the disc, and then pass it again to the fabric like that. Make sure that you don't pull it too much so that it doesn't just stand, it dangles. All right, if you are new to my channel, you're welcome. We do everything DIY on this channel. Anything sewing, beading, and anything DIY about fashion, that is what we do on this channel. And I also show you bits and pieces of my life once in a while. So if you are a newcomer here, kindly subscribe before you go. Like my videos because it helps the algorithm to push my video to a wider audience, so please like my video. So I just did that, and once I was done, I tagged it all to other places that I wanted it to be, and this was how it looked. It was so beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like it. Till I see you in the next one. I love you and I care. Bye.